What seeds do you see? Do you see basil? Where's the basil?
No.
No, isn't basil over here? Can you say basil? Yeah, peppers too. How about tomatoes? Where are the tomatoes?
No.
You don't know? I showed you. They're over there. Over there. On the other side. Yeah. What about over here? What are these?
No.
Nope, those are broccoli. Can you say broccoli? No, those are peppers on that side. These are broccoli over here. Rock, yep. And then what about over here? Cabbage. Can you say cabbage?
No, Dad. Rock.
Broccoli. You like the broccoli, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to put the seeds in the night now?
No.
No, but it's time to put the seeds on the night. You can do it. You want to push the button?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Say night seeds. There you go. Good job.